Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Chime Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chime.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Chime Bank website. Now from this homepage, in order to create a new account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the sign up page for Chime. Just click on the verification box to verify your identity, and after completing the CAPTCHA verification, you will be taken into the enrollment page. Just type in your first and your last name, followed by your email address, and click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your date of birth. Type in your date of birth and click on the next button, and you will be asked to enter your phone number and whether you would like to receive announcements. After entering your phone number, click on the next button and you will receive a verification code within your phone. After entering this verification code that you receive within your phone in the next page, you will be allowed to set up your password for your account. Go ahead and set up your password and then click on the sign up button, and now you will successfully be signed up to your very own account on Chime Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.